Welcome to Jake McGee, who's joining us as a 7-spot show host. We first met Jake in our Avon Rescue YouTube series.
Just getting the old girl out, the car in question. So I've had the car since the beginning of June of last year, and it's never really let me down. It's really fun. Love driving it. Love the colour, obviously, red and black. And it's just sort of got everything on it. I bought the car with the external roll cage already fitted, and the limited slip diff made by Quay. It's got a lighting flywheel on it as well, so it sort of revs pretty quick. But yeah, it's just a great car. I just absolutely love it.
And he did some work for us at the Newark Kit Car Festival, where he took some fabulous photographs.
Welcome to 7 Spot. We meet at Great British Car Journey out in the Peak District. And this morning we are with the Westfield gang, me and my lone survivor Tiger. Beautiful variety at Westfield's. Stunning green one here, absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to the drive in the next half an hour. Don't think there's any more turning up today. And here's the lineup for this morning. Absolute fantastic variety of colours. Great British Car Journey. If you've never been, I suggest you come. It's an absolute fantastic museum out in the Peaks, just on the other side of Matlock. All the history of the British cars from the beginning all the way to the very end. Like I say, an absolute beautiful lineup of 7s. All Westfields, as you can see up to this point. Absolute stunning. And then, of course, the lone survivor Tiger that some of us may know. Catch up with you later on.
Don't you come around no more.
here we are on the second part of the day, and we have made it to a pub in the Peak District at the Manifold Inn. A few drivers gone home on the way, but here are the rest.